Did you know that the food you eat can literally rewire your brain? Studies show that certain ingredients can boost serotonin levels, your brain's natural mood elevator, by up to 30%. But what if we told you there's a way to combine these ingredients into delicious detox recipes that not only cleanse your body but also lift your spirits? Stick around, because today, we're diving into detox recipes that actually improve your mood. We often think of detox recipes as just a way to cleanse our bodies, but what if they could do more? What if they could help you feel happier, more focused, and less stressed? Today, we're exploring how the right combination of ingredients can transform not just your physical health but your mental well-being too. Ready to find out how? Let's get started. Let's face it, life can be overwhelming. Between work, relationships, and the daily grind, stress and anxiety are all too common. But here's the thing, what you eat might be making it worse. Processed foods, sugar crashes, and caffeine highs can leave you feeling drained and irritable. So, what's the solution? Could it be as simple as changing what's on your plate? Absolutely. Certain foods are like natural antidepressants. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with magnesium, which helps regulate cortisol, your stress hormone. Nuts and seeds are rich in omega-3s, which fight inflammation and boost brain health. And berries? They're loaded with antioxidants that protect your brain from oxidative stress. So, how do we turn these into delicious detox recipes? Let's show you how. Try a mood-boosting green smoothie with spinach, banana, almond butter, and a dash of cinnamon. Or whip up a berry chia pudding for breakfast. It's as easy as mixing chia seeds, almond milk, and fresh berries. And for lunch, toss together a kale salad with walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and a lemon tahini dressing. These recipes aren't just good for your body, they're like a hug for your brain. Now let's talk about Sarah. She was struggling with anxiety and low energy for years. But after incorporating these detox recipes into her daily routine, she noticed a huge shift. This is what she had to say. "I didn't just feel lighter. I felt happier. Like I could finally breathe again." And that's the power of food. It's not just fuel, it's medicine for your mind. So, what's the takeaway? The right foods can be a game changer for your mental health. By choosing ingredients that boost serotonin, reduce stress, and protect your brain, you're not just detoxing your body, you're uplifting your mood. Ready to give it a try? Let's make this a challenge. Pick one of these recipes, try it out, and let us know how it makes you feel in the comments below. And if you're ready for more tips on how food can transform your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our next video on 5 foods that fight anxiety naturally. Thanks for watching, and remember, your mood is just one recipe away.